Hey there, welcome back to Spiral. Did you know that your Gmail account is more than just for emails? It's like having a superhero for your phone. Today, we are diving into the world of phone tracking using Gmail. So buckle up, because we are about to unveil the ultimate guide to finding your lost phone and safeguarding your personal data. I know losing your expensive smartphone is not just about the money spent. It's the risk of personal data theft that poses a greater concern. Google's Find My Device app for Android helps you prevent this disaster. Safeguard your password, photos, Gmail, and personal information by utilizing this app, ensuring that your data doesn't fall into the wrong hands and protecting you from potential crimes and online thefts. To locate a lost phone using Gmail through the Find My Device app, start by downloading and installing the app on another device. Then sign in with the same Gmail account linked to the lost phone. Once logged in, grant the app permission to access the device's location. From there, you can view the current location of the lost phone on a map within the app. If the phone is nearby but you can't locate it visually, remotely trigger the phone's ringtone by selecting the play sound option. Additionally, you can use the Secure Device feature to display a message with contact information on the lost phone screen and remotely set a password for added security. Keep track of the phone's battery level and Wi-Fi connection status to aid in locating it. If all else fails, the Erase Device option allows you to remotely wipe the phone's data to protect your personal information. Overall, by following these steps and utilizing the features of the Find My Device app, you can increase the likelihood of locating your lost phone using the Gmail account. If you like this method, then don't forget to subscribe to Spiral. Moving on, you can utilize the Google Maps timeline feature to locate your lost cell phone. Google Maps keeps track of your previous locations. However, it will only keep a record of your previous location if you have enabled location history in Google Maps on your device. To find your lost Android device using this method, follow the below steps on your computer. Open Google Maps, then log into your Google account and click on the menu icon. Next, choose your timeline from the left panel. This will present you with a timeline displaying your recent trips. You can also narrow down your search by selecting the date when you lost your phone using the provided drop-down menus at the top left corner. By retracing your movements through the timeline, you may eventually pinpoint the location where you misplaced your phone. If you want to track someone else's location on Google Maps, I have covered a video on it. Watch it by tapping the I button. If you're not able to track your phone by Gmail, then don't worry. You can use other third-party apps to find the location of a lost phone. An excellent example of one such app is Snapchat. With the help of Snapchat, you can see the location of your friends. If you have not enabled Ghost Mode on your Snapchat account before the phone was lost, then you can ask your Snapchat friends to check your recent location on the Snap Map. This way, you can determine your last whereabouts and potentially find your lost cell phone. You can also make use of the GeoFinder tool, which lets you track a phone by sending a link to the phone number. All you have to do is enter the phone number and send an image URL to the phone number as an SMS. If someone is using your phone and they click on the link provided in the SMS, then your phone location will be updated on the GeoFinder dashboard. Consequently, you will be able to remotely find the location of your lost phone. If you have lost your phone, your Gmail account can be a superhero. Use Google's Find My Device or Google Maps timeline to track it. Third-party apps like Snapchat or GeoFinder also help. Stay proactive by enabling tracking features and setting up security options. Don't forget to subscribe to Spiral for more tips on safeguarding your digital life.